Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. So in this video, I will discuss about vehicular ad hoc networks, or shortly it's called VANETs. So in this video, I will talk about VANETs, introduction to features, applications, and challenges. So now moving on to the second slide. So here I will discuss like understanding vehicular ad hoc networks, VANETs. Uh, Various networks are like invisible bridges that help cars talk to each other and to things like traffic lights or toll booths that don't need wires or fixed setups like Wi-Fi at home. So instead, cars and road outside devices work together to share important information. Uh, Whereas are a type of network called mobile ad hoc network, MANET, which means there are networks that form automatically wherever needed. They're super useful for making our roads safer, traffic smoother, and driving more fun through intelligent transportation system. Uh, then moving on to the next slide, here I'll discuss about its main features of VANETs. VANETs have unique features that make them different from other networks. First one, high mobility. So vehicles move very quickly, which means the connections between them change consistently. For instance, when you are driving on a busy highway, the cars around you keep changing as some cars move out of range and new ones come into range. This creates a dynamic network that needs to keep up with these changes. Then, second one, dynamic topology. Since cars are always on the move, the structure of the network also changes frequently. The system has to adjust rapidly as vehicles join or leave the network. Imagine a car leaving a city, it exits the network, and new cars entering that area become part of it. Then third one, predictable mobility patterns. Like although vehicles are always moving, their movement usually follows predictable paths. Cars typically stick to road lengths, follow traffic signals, and obey traffic rules. This predictability helps vendors plan how to manage communication between vehicles if he effectively. Now moving on to the next slide, here I'll discuss about what can vendors do. There are powerful tools that can be used for a variety of applications. Let's explore these applications in details. Safety applications. Various are designed to make driving safer for giving drivers early warnings about possible dangers. The first one, electronic brake lights. Imagine a car ahead of you suddenly slams its brakes, but you can't see it because there's another car in between. Whereas can send a signal from the braking car to your car, alerting you to slow down and avoid an accident. Then collision avoidance. Okay, if there's risk of a crash, such as two cars heading toward each other at an intersection. Wires can warn the drivers before the collision happens. This can save lives and reduce road accidents. Then moving on, next slide, like uh, traffic management. Wires also uh, helpful in controlling and managing traffic more efficiently. Traffic in information systems. They provide real-time updates about road conditions. For example, if there's a traffic jam, an accident, or a road closer, your car's GPS system can receive this information through VANETs and suggest an alternative route to save time. Then second one, electronic toll collections. With VANETs, vehicles can automatically pay tolls without stopping. The system deducts the toll fee electronically as the car passes through, which reduces congestion at toll booths and makes the journey smoother. Then moving on, next slide. Here I will discuss about infotainment services. Various also make traveling more enjoyable and convenient by offering entertainment and helpful information. Fast on internet access, like while on the road, passengers can connect to the internet to stream music, browse social media, or even work online. Then the second one, location-based services, like the system can suggest nearby places based on your locations. For example, if you need to refuel, it can show you the closest gas station. If you are hungry, it can recommend restaurants along your route. Then next slide. Here, challenges in using VANETs. Although VANETs offer many benefits, there are some significant challenges that researchers and engineers need to solve. First one, security and privacy. It's crucial to keep the communication secure to hackers cannot issues the system. At the same time, drivers' private information like their location or driving habits must be protected from unauthorized access. Then second one, scalability. Whereas must handle communication between a large number of vehicles without slowing down. For instance, in a busy city with thousands of vehicles, the system needs to manage all the traffic efficiently. Then third one, standardization. All vehicles and roadside devices need to follow the same communication standards to work together. If different manufacturers use different systems, the vehicles won't be able to properly. Now moving on, next slide. Here I'll discuss about how do vehicles communicate in VANETs. To share information, VANETs use two main communication technologies. First one, dedicated short range communications, shortly it's called DSRC. This is a special communication method created especially for vehicles. It works over short distances and is reliable for sending safety messages like warnings about accidents or sudden braking. Then second one, cellular V2X. This method uses existing cellular methods like 4G and 5G to allow vehicles to communicate with each other, uh, pedestrians, and infrastructure like traffic signals. It can cover longer distances compared to DSRC. Then finally, I will talk about conclusion part. So VANETs are transforming the way we travel by making roads safer and reducing traffic issues. For example, they can help prevent accidents, reduce traffic congestion, and provide useful information about road conditions. They also make traveling more enjoyable by offering internet access and location-based recommendations. However, challenges like improving security, handle a large number of vehicles, and ensuring compatibility across different systems still need to be addressed. As technology advances, VANETs are expected to play an even bigger role in making transportation safer, faster, and more convenient for everyone. So VANETs are paving the way for smarter and safer transportation systems with ongoing research and improvements. These networks will continue to make driving easier and safer, benefiting drivers, passengers, and entire communities. Thank you, everyone, for your patience. Thank you.